The new floor-mounted C-frame workstation from Promess is the absolute choice for your assembly process. Designed with floor space and accessibility in mind, this all-in-one unit arrives at your facility ready to run. All that's left to be done is add your tooling and you can be assembling your parts the same day it's delivered. This C-frame design is work-safe. Operators can feel secure manually loading their parts utilizing the Promess 2-hand control module, now offered on all Promess workstations. The workstation is also easily integrated into any automated assembly line process. The large working area of the C-frame allows for part loading with a robot or conveyor, making this one of our most versatile workstation setups to date. Promess, for all your pressing needs.